If you're wondering how to navigate Oyster's dashboard, this quick guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to seamlessly navigate and maximize Oyster's full potential to manage your HR processes. Stick around, because I'm going to show you how to access an exclusive extended free trial that'll make it even easier to get started. Once you log into Oyster, you'll land on the dashboard, the central hub of your HR activities. At first glance, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface that's designed to make global payroll and compliance a breeze. On the left side, you'll see a menu with quick access to key areas like employees, contracts, payroll, reports, and more. Let's start with the Employees section. This is where you can manage all your employees, whether you're onboarding new hires or keeping track of existing ones. You can filter by team, country, or even the status of their contract. It's easy to see at a glance where everyone stands, and you can access individual employee profiles by simply clicking their name. Next, let's talk about contracts. If you need to create or update a contract, this section gives you all the tools you need. You can quickly select the employee, input contract details, and set pay schedules with ease. Oyster also takes care of the legalities in each country, so you can rest assured that everything is compliant. There's no need to worry about keeping track of multiple laws. Oyster automatically adjusts to ensure everything is up to date. Now, the payroll section. This is the heart of Oyster. Here's where you'll manage payroll for all your employees. You can run payroll with a single click, and Oyster will automatically calculate taxes, benefits, and deductions. It also allows you to set up recurring payments, making payroll processing simple and hassle-free. In the reports section, you can generate financial and compliance reports. These reports are fully customizable, so you can filter them by region, employee status, or time period. This is particularly useful for tracking costs, comparing teams, or just staying on top of all your HR needs. A unique feature in Oyster's dashboard is the Global Compliance tool. This is a game changer if you're managing employees across multiple countries. The platform automatically adapts to various local employment laws, helping you ensure compliance in real time, no matter where your team is based. The dashboard also includes an intuitive notifications area. This keeps you updated with important alerts regarding payroll deadlines, compliance updates, or any action items that need your attention. To wrap it up, Oyster's dashboard is designed to simplify global HR management. Whether you're managing employees, processing payroll, or ensuring compliance, the dashboard gives you everything you need in one centralized location. Before you go, don't forget to check the first link in the description for an exclusive extended free trial to Oyster. This will give you more time to explore the platform and see all the benefits for yourself without any commitment. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out more of our content for further insights on Oyster and other software tools.